Good morning, class 4th. So, today let's start with the grammar book, chapter number 4, countable plural nouns. Regular and irregular plurals. Countable nouns, as we already know, are those that we can count. Countable nouns are those nouns that we can count. They can be both singular or plural. Noun that indicate more than one thing, person, animal, place or idea are called plural nouns. Usually plural nouns are formed by adding the ending of s, es or ies. These are called regular plurals. Cat, cats, wish, wishes, story, stories. Like this you can make a singular noun to a plural noun. Most nouns form plural with s also. Cups, fans, like this. Nouns ending with the constants s, x, o, ss, ch, sh form plural with es. जो भी वर्ड्स और नाउन्स एस, एक्स, ओ, डबल एस, सी एच या एस एच से एंड होते हैं वो उनको अगर हमें प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट करना है तो उनके आगे हम क्या लगाएंगे ई एस. लाइक बस, बसेस, बॉक्स, बॉक्सेस, क्लास, क्लासेस, स्विच, स्विचेस, डिश, dishes, tomato, tomatoes. Like this. Nouns with vowel before the letter y form plural with s. LA, alleys, tray, trays. y के साथ s ऐड होता है प्लूरल के लिए. Nouns with a constant before the letter y form plural with ies. जो कॉन्सोनेंट नाउन्स हैं अगर वो y से पहले क्या लगेगा, y को रिमूव कर देंगे और क्या लगेगा उनके आगे आई ई एस. डेजी तो y रिमूव करके डेजीज. कॉलोनी, कॉलोनीज. सो वी विल कन्वर्ट singular noun to plural noun. However, not all plurals are found by using s, es और ies. सारे plurals s, es और ies लगा के ऐड नहीं होते. Some nouns use ves और en to form plurals. Such plurals are called irregular plurals. जो plurals के आगे s, es या ies नहीं लगता और जो ves या en लगा के कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, irregular plurals. Like leaf, leaves के आगे क्या होगा, leaves. Oxen, oxen. Irregular plurals can be formed in many ways. Some countable nouns use en or ren to form plurals. Children, child, children. Ox, oxen. Nouns ending with f and fe forms plural with ves. जो words f के साथ end होते हैं वो plurals में convert करने के लिए क्या ऐड करते हैं, ves. Calves, loaves, leaves. Like this. Some nouns change vowels in the plural. Women, vowels को change करना होता है. Women, e change हो जाएगा, that a will become e air, that becomes plural. Goose, geese. Some noun change form completely in the plural. Mouse, mice. Person, people. Some nouns remains the same. Deer, deer, fish, fish. Words used with the countable plural nouns. Normally we use word like the, a, few, some, many or any before regular plural nouns. I have a few apples. Do you want one? Kiran has many friends. Are there any bananas left? I went to the shop to buy some mangoes. We use the before nouns only when we are talking about something in particular, not general. जब हम particular किसी टॉपिक की बात कर रहे हैं तो we will use for the word for a particular language. The eggs are in the fridge. जो हम particular किसकी बात कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ eggs की बात कर रहे हैं तो that's why we used here the eggs are in the fridge. Eggs are a good source of protein. Words like the, some, any, many, a few can also be used with the irregular plurals. Some children wanted to go to the movies. I have 8 mice. The mice are white and fluffy. Are there any men in the parade tomorrow? A few knives are kept in the top drawer. Many people came to the music event. Write the plural form of these nouns. Balloon, balloons. Loss, losses. Church, churches. Key, keys. Bush, bushes. Family, y हट जाएगा तो ies आ जाएगा. Families, sh है तो es लग जाएगा. Radishes, horse, horses. Complete it in your book, class. Complete these sentences with the plurals of the words given in the brackets. Mr. Rao grows daisies, daisy in his garden. Daisy का daisies. My sister helped me carry all. बॉक्स के आगे कैसे, क्या बॉक्स को कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे, ई एस लगतेगा. बॉक्सेस, All the judges were wearing black robes. You need tomatoes to make pasta. Rohit used up his pocket money to buy lollies. y रिमूव हो जाएगा, es आएगा, lollies, like this. Okay, page number 22. I hope all your wishes come true. The twin babies started crying at the same time. Madhura spotted many butterflies. I remove हो गए, IES आ जाएगा. Butterflies at the park yesterday. Mark the following irregular 9 studial plurals. Food, feet, life, lives. F है तो यहाँ पे F रिमूव होगी, VES आ जाएगा. टूथ, टीथ. फिश का फिश रहता है. calves हो जाएगा, calves. Oxen, species. Thief, thieves. F रिमूव होगी, VES आ जाएगा. Complete the sentences with the plural form of highlighted words. Child, children. Self, shelves. Goose, geese. Loaf, loaves. Mouse, mice. Food, feet. Okay. Complete the passage with the words given in the box. Some, many, a few, any, some, the. Mehul is in the supermarket to shop for groceries. He picked up some potatoes and tomatoes. He might want to have fruit juice in the morning, so he buys a few muskmelon and some bananas for banana shake. The muskmelon smell really good. He loves popcorn too. There are many flavors available in the shop. He picks up his favorite caramel flavor. He also wants to make noodles for dinner, but they don't have any packets left. DIY exercise, form sentence using these words. This is your homework class. This you have to do it by yourself and send me a photo after doing it. Okay, if you face any problem in making sentence, do let me know. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone.